Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can edit, how you can make a good thumbnail with your smartphone. You only need the application called Pixellab. Pixellab is a good application for you who are using your mobile phone to edit videos or to design different graphics, different images. Yes. So the first step is to download the application. If you don't have it, try to download it from Play Store or from App Store if you are using iPhone phone. Yes, so here I have already downloaded it. Let me open it. Yes, this the application that I'm saying is this one. This one, you see this one, Pixellab. Yes, let me open. Yes, this one. This is the interface that you will meet if you open this application. You will need to come here on three dots. Click on the three dots. When you click on the three dots, you will see here image size. You will click on it, image size, and then you will click on custom. After clicking on custom, you will choose YouTube thumbnail. Yes, this one, and then the size is 1280 and then 720 pixels. Yes, okay. And then we need to delete this text. Yes, now we have the background. This size is for YouTube thumbnail, the universal size of YouTube thumbnails. Yes, so we need to come here, yes, to choose the background color of your thumbnails. You will choose whatever you need. Let me click on it and then choose the color. If I click on color, I will get different colors from this application. I choose yellow, red, black, white, red, and so on, whatever I need. Let me choose this, a blue one. I can adjust this color by clicking here on the plus icon. Yeah, let me click on plus icon and choose the lightness or the opacity of this color. I can come here, see, and choose whatever I need. Yes, okay. Now this is the background color of our YouTube thumbnail. Now we are going to, you can change any color you need. I have shown you that you click on here and then choose the color whatever you need. So let me use this color. So we have to click here icon here. After clicking on it, we will choose from gallery. Now it's time for adding pictures. Yes, let me choose this picture. See, let me rotate it. Yeah, I will also need to crop it by clicking here. See here. Yeah, no, like this. Okay, yeah. Now we have to remove the background of this picture. To remove the background using this application, we need to come here, then search for erase color. And then you have to click on this and then choose the color you want to remove. so that we remain with the picture only. Yeah, we can, yes. See, as you see that the image is visible. Yeah, or we can also adjust it so that it will be more visible. Yes, but let me do like this. I can place it wherever I want, and then the best side to put this picture could be maybe this one, the left one. Yeah, but the background is not totally removed. You see that there is something that is not good, but the the goal of today is to show you how to do it, or perform it, or improve it yourself. Yeah, okay, let's continue. Now we finish to add picture, to add text. Okay, text, then can we add text. For example, let me click let me write this. Who is this black man? This black man. Okay, yes. This is a text that I added. Let me change the font of this text. Clicking on, let me choose chunk 5. Yeah, I choose chunk 5. You see that the text is in the black color. Let me click on the V, and the text will be very clear, but I have to adjust the opacity and the brightness of this text. I choose the text and then click on edit. Yes, to edit I finished it, but I want to make some changes. Yeah, so I click on the color and then click on the plus. I will do like this. Yeah, okay, you see that this is the text added on our YouTube thumbnail. If every people see this text and this picture, he will imagine who is this man. So to know more about this man, he will need to open to watch the video. Yeah, continue. On the text you can do, you can add stroke. Let me show you how to stroke it. Yes, click here and then choose the color. I choose the white one. I can choose the red, whatever I need. Yes, yeah, I added the color, and then I can adjust this of the color that I chosen. I choose, yes, let me use the white color. Now you see that the text is changed. You see here we made our text, and we made our thumbnail on the so in order not to disturb the text or whatever you added, you can block it, you can lock it. So we see that this text is selected, and then you will click on here. You will click here. Yes, after clicking here you will get some options. Yeah, the options that I get is to lock the text. Now I lock the text. Yeah, if you try to do anything again, you will not be able to change anything on the text because you locked it. Yeah, now we are going to deal with the picture. This picture will be changed. I can enhance the brightness, the opacity, and so on. So to modify this picture, you select it and then you will come here at the bottom, click on here and then change the opacity. Yeah, now we can reduce the opacity and then okay. Now we change the opacity. Yeah, we can change the color filters. Yeah, you see that I can change even the color of my clothes. Yes, saturation. My t-shirt was black, but now it is red. You can change however you need. Yeah, okay, can do whatever you want. Now my t-shirt is in the red color. Okay, can adjust the contrast. Yeah, to make a good thumbnail you will need a clear picture. Now I can also enlarge the color. Yeah, choose this one and then just like this. Yes, yes, okay. Now let me repeat once again. Okay, yes, you see that we have a picture and then a text. As you see here, I made a simple thumbnail. Yeah, I can change the background color by clicking here. Yes, yeah, yes, yes. Okay, I can also use this. And then after using this, I can also add emojis and the sticker. Okay, sticker, emoji. Okay, I can add whatever I need. Yes, like this. It's a sticker of someone who is imagining who is this man. Yeah, you see, I made it in a short time, but I can unlock the picture and then modify it. Okay, now the picture is unlocked. Let me lock the sticker. I can modify the picture. Okay, yes, see that this is a good thumbnail. If someone will when someone will see this picture, he will imagine what about this picture. Okay, this picture will push him to go to watch the video, to listen what is spoken inside the video, or wherever he is. Yeah, so if it was the first time you see me, try to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Yeah, thank you very much. We will see you soon in the next video. Yes.